sanad walba waxa lagu qabtaa wadanka Canada ama adduunka idil waxa lagu qabtaa barnaamij lagu dabaaldegayo horumarka qaramada midoobay ama sanad guurida ka soo wareegtay haddaba chapterka Toronto ku yaala ee UN-ka wadanka Canada ayaa barnaamij ku qabtay bartamaha Toronto jaamacadda ku taala ee loo yaqaano Toronto University barnaamijkaas oo aad u qiimo badnaa waxa ka hadlay nin Soomaali oo magaciisa la yiraahdo Yaasiin Samatar oo ka yimid New York ahna gacanyaraha haweeney gacanyaro u ah xogayaha guud ee qaramada midoobay Ban Ki-moon Yaasiin Samatar waxa uu ka hadlay shaqo bixinta waxay tahay waxyaabaha loo baahan yahay dadku inay ka ogaadaan iyo barnaamijyo kale oo aad u fara badan dad badan baa ka soo qayb qaatay uu kamid yahay ninka la yiraahdo Afawarki waxa halka ka hadashay gabar kamid ah gabdhaha iyagu ama haweeney kamid ah haweenka soo qaban qaabiyay barnaamijka
My name is Jillian Moody. Jillian with a G.
Jillian, can you spell that for me?
Gillian. Moody, M like market, O-O-D like dog, Y.
Perfect. And what organization are you with, or what is the organization that's putting this on?
The organization that's putting on the UN Day 2012 event is the UN Association in Canada's Toronto branch.
Perfect. So just talk to me. Give me some energy too. So tell me, where are we and what's going on here tonight?
We are at the Oisey building at U of T. It's really exciting. We're celebrating the UN Day 2012 and we have a speaker that's come all the way from New York City to celebrate with us. He's going to do the keynote speech. And in addition, we have our national president of the UN Association in Canada, Catherine White. She is also here and she too is going to do a speech in celebration of this day. Because at the end of the day, the UN is still relevant. It's relevant in the world, it's relevant in Canada. We can play a part no matter what city we're in. And we would have had World War III, honestly, if we didn't still have the UN in general.
So is this for the students, and what's the whole point of tonight's event?
The whole point of tonight's event is to celebrate the United Nations Day. The United Nations was developed in the 1940s, and we are here to acknowledge its existence and to say that it's still relevant and that we still want to play a part as global citizens.
Perfect. And just in general, what are we going to see tonight?
Tonight, you're going to have student awards. People are going to get prestigious awards in art, poetry, film, you name it, essays. And we're also going to have art done by Doris Pontieri, and her art is showing at the Louvre in Paris soon, so that's really exciting. And we're going to have entertainment by Subliminal. His name is actually Sean, but he's a motivational speaker and a rapper and an artist, and we're really excited. And we have other artists who are here as well, and other distinguished people. But Yasin Samatar is going to show people how they can get jobs at the UN. There's a lot of ways in which you can try to get jobs in general. The UN, there's a gender difference. It helps if you're female. There might be country biases. You need to check those out. You do need to go through the website. If you're 32 and under, you might be able to go through the UN Special Recruitment Program. There are lots of differences between applying for the UN jobs and applying for other jobs in general. So it's really great. We really appreciate him flying all the way here from New York City to give us information about applying for jobs at the UN. So obviously there's a direct tie-in between being at Oisey at U of T, where there's going to be students graduating or will be graduating who are going to be interested in going into international development, peace, whatever humanitarian work that they want to specialize in or support, either at the UN in New York City or in other UNs around the world.
Perfect. That's great. Awesome. Thank you.
شعبكن دماتو شروينا هنا ماتا شوكودو وحو يا هاي نبات شالك حيدو هاي شاعيا